This video reveals how to earn free Bitcoin using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners this year. How to do it? We will figure it out. This is how to make free Bitcoin. Likewise, just a small portion of people that see my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you wind up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will inform you whenever I have a new and also fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the initial subscribers to utilize it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. Let's define Bitcoin initially for those who did not recognize what it is. So, Bitcoin, often referred to as a cryptocurrency, is a virtual or digital currency. It's like an online version of cash. You can utilize it to buy products and services. Additionally, numerous shops approve Bitcoin as payment. People can send out Bitcoins to your digital wallet, as well as you can send Bitcoins to other individuals also. There are three significant methods by which people get Bitcoins. First, you can purchase Bitcoins using actual money. Second, you can offer things and let people pay you with Bitcoins. Lastly, they can develop using a phone or a computer referred to as Bitcoin mining, which we will concentrate on in this video. Yet before we begin, if you want to suggest video topics, leave a comment down below about what generate incomes online method you desire to show you. Continuing, ensure to drop a like to this video if you like making money online. And let's see if we can get 3000 likes in this one. So scroll down below and tap the like button until it turns blue. Now let us begin. Today I am most likely to show you the top 7 most lucrative Bitcoin apps you can find on the internet this year. We are most likely to cover all of the different apps today that are entirely beginner friendly and free to use. So you don't need to be a specialist in cryptocurrency to make some gains with them. As long as you have an internet connection and a smartphone, you can use all of these apps. I am also most likely to show you one of the most effective ways to take advantage of these apps. So make sure to stick around as well as keep watching right till the end. Currently, the initial website we need to take advantage of is called Coinbase.com, and also we are going to use it for two main functions. First, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can set up to gather your Bitcoin from all the various other websites or apps that we are most likely to use today. And if you want to do that, it is entirely free. And all it takes is clicking this button, Get Started. And also, once you click on that, you will certainly be redirected to a new web page where you can enter your first name, surname, email address, and additionally password. However, ensure that the email you enter stands and you have access to that, since they will certainly send you a confirmation link that you need to click on. So, that is crucial to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Currently, it doesn't need to be specially on Coinbase.com. You can establish your Bitcoin wallet to any other websites, yet you require to have one to gather your income. Once you've completed doing so, we can go on to the second reason we are using Coinbase.com today. They asked you to find out about all of these new cryptocurrencies and they are willing to pay you for that. So, if you began these programs and completed them, you will certainly get rewarded. The most effective part is that you can use your mobile phone to use Coinbase.com and learn about everything of these new cryptocurrencies and get that reward. Is the cryptobrowser.site. And it is offered for both Android and iOS devices. This is just one of my personal favorites because the essential things I love about this application are that you can make passive income using it. You don't have to be actively involved in this procedure since this is a Bitcoin miner. It suggests that you can let it run in the background if you get this browser on your mobile phone or computer. It will certainly make use of several of your computers or smartphones resources. Nevertheless, it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. It implies you don't need to finish any surveys, you don't need to enjoy advertisements, you don't need to complete any micro tasks to get some profits. You can leave it there, let it do its thing in the background, and that will certainly generate Bitcoins for you. Now, this web browser is similar to Google Chrome. If you use it, you will certainly discover that it looks similar. It feels the same way and uses the same extensions. So you can do the things you would normally do on Google Chrome on this browser. And all you need to carry out to begin gaining is installing this app on your smartphone. And also, as I have claimed earlier, you can get it on both Android and also iOS devices. No matter which operating system you are utilizing, these browsers will certainly still enable you to make some profit. Let's click on this Google Play symbol. And also, this is exactly how the app is going to resemble. You can currently get the basic version for absolutely cost-free or get the Pro version. Yet, I don't advise you to get the Pro version right now, because if you are beginning, you don't have money to purchase this process. You can utilize the cost-free one and still make some profits. After you have done so, after you have gained some cash, you can reinvest it to get back a lot more profits. However, I will certainly leave that as much as you. In the meantime, this video is focused on beginners who are just starting. So I wish you to get the free version from Google Play. Additionally, I recommended installing it on your computer and replacing the browser you are presently making use of. That will certainly optimize your earnings and provide you even more profits. You don't need to, but if you want to, you are free to do so. You can let the CryptoTab browser run in the background while you are utilizing all the other apps. That is the primary benefit of this app, and this is why I wish to point this out, as this is purely passive income, since you can earn that without your participation while utilizing all the other producing active income. Now, proceeding to the third app is featurepoints.com. And you can get it on both iOS and Android devices too, which is a big advantage. Now, they have paid their users $5.8 million since 2012. They have been in business for a pretty long time. From my experience, they constantly pay their users their due money, and also this is a reputable app. First of all, you will certainly need to complete some micro tasks to get points that you can later retrieve and develop into real money. So, you will be able to finish your studies, make money back when you shop at one of their partner stores. I intended to point out a unique function in this app, since very few apps have this, which is getting points for just downloading the apps. As you can see below, you are going to download specific apps on your smartphone, and when your balance strikes a particular limit, you should be able to redeem your cash. They have PayPal available as a withdrawal option. You can likewise get an Amazon gift card. Yet, most notably, you can get your reward in Bitcoins. So, they will certainly send your money direct into your Bitcoin wallet. They additionally have a decent commission for your referrals. So, if you refer one of your friends and start making points on this app, you will certainly get 50% out of that. It suggests that you can utilize this approach and maximize your profits by referring your friends or referring other people interested in making money online. Now, you can join this website by entering your email address right here, or you can click one of these two buttons and download this app on your phone and sign up there. Up next, we have our fourth app. This is Sweetcoin. This app enables you to gain cryptocurrency but not Bitcoin. It is since they have their very own cryptocurrency which is called Sweetcoin. I am also going to show you exactly how you can benefit from that and what you require to do to earn it. As you can see right here, this is available for both iOS and also Android devices. Now, this app pays you to walk. That's exactly what you require to do to make money with this app. nothing even more as well as nothing less. They are going to pay you for each step that you take throughout the entire day. And also, this app is ideal for you if you are an active person. The exciting part is that Switchcoin alone doesn't truly have value, and you can't transform this right into US dollars or Bitcoin or anything of that kind. However, to benefit from your balance, you need to buy particular items from their partner shops. They have collaborated with hundreds of various companies, so you can pick as well as buy from different sorts of things utilizing your Switchcoins. As you can see here, you can buy goods, services and experiences ranging from high-tech footwear to iPhones, from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. So they have a lot of different partners they are willing to trade their items for Switchcoin. They have overcome 300 various partners, which gives you a large range of products that you can acquire. This is exactly how the app appears on Google Play. And as you can see below in this page, they likewise provide you PayPal gift cards. It indicates that you can likewise withdraw your money into US dollars, but it may get you instead some time to get there since they have a high threshold for PayPal. However, you can instead buy specific things that are a little bit more affordable. Now, the reviews on this site are excellent. It is rated at 4.3 out of 5, which is an expressive score, judging by the reality that they have overcome 174,000 reviews. Carrying on to the app number 5 is Free Bitcoin. You can discover it on Google Play. I'm not sure if there is a similar app for iPhone user, but currently I'm going to focus on this. And this app is highly similar to Feature Points. You need to complete some micro tasks such as downloading particular apps on your phone, enjoying videos, completing surveys, and more. That will offer you points that you can later take out or convert into Bitcoin. Now, this app score is quite excellent. It's 4.4 out of 5. But you can see several of these reviews are not also friendly. So, you can do your research online or try this out and see if it works for you. Because people might have different results depending on just how much time they have willing to spend. Yet, I will let you be the judge. Finally, here are the 6th and 7th apps on this list that are very similar in concept. These are mobile games that we can play to make extra money. The first app is called Blockchain Game, while the second one is called Alien Run. You can find them both on Google Play. Currently, keep in mind, you are trading your time for money with this. Depending upon how much time you carry your hand, you might be profitable or otherwise, yet I suggest you offer these apps a try and see how much cash you are able to generate. It covers it up, which is exactly how to gain cost-free Bitcoins this year. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and also ensure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any one of the new component. As constantly, I will certainly see you in several of the next videos.